Yeah, I'm Helen. Yeah. Welcome to come back. Let's let's go on for the factory tour. Yeah.
Okay, Helen.
Yeah. Judeng的Zhongshan Judeng. Hello. Nice to see you. Yeah, Monica. Yeah. This afternoon we already hear your voice and we feel
hear your voice because you reject 3 times our handsome Eric.
Oh, sorry. Also, how? What's your name? How about the handsome boy? Yeah.
My name is Eric.
Eric. Yeah. Hello, Eric. Eric or Herrick?
Eric.
Eric. Oh, yeah. Monica and Eric. Hello, I'm Helen. Yeah, I'm from lighting, Lightstrade.com. Yeah, we move on, and then we were very happy that you joined this event. Yeah, maybe you introduce your company or introduce your new products.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for Helen. Okay. Hello, this is Monica and
this is Eric.
Welcome to Judeng Lighting online channel. Okay. Do you know who is Judeng? Judeng is a manufacturer with more than 10 years experience into producing outdoor lighting and solar light. Now they with 3,000 square meter factories and also with full set 18 test machine and also 18 set production lines as well as full set testing machine. So also we have
some station for domestic like ISO 9001 standard. And for smaller market, ROHS, yes. And before delivery, we make sure our product has our IP rating, IP65 and waterproof, and we are testing for solar machine. So we make sure our product is qualified.
Yes. Excuse me, do you open any music there?
Yes, we have a background music from the vocal.
Not very clear. Yeah. Now it's better. I think no music is
better. It's better, okay?
Yeah. It's better. Yeah.
Okay. So Judeng, to be our client customer. Judeng, what can Judeng can help you? Judeng can OEM or ODM for your brand, and also we can develop some special lighting fittings. For example, like driver, LED chip, and housing, etc. To help you to get more different projects. And also we can develop new design products to help our customers to occupy more market share in your country. So I think now I would like to our handsome boy Eric to introduce one new solar light for you. It's very hot nowadays. Okay, Eric.
Okay. So now it's time for the product, and you can see this is our arrival solar street light all-in-one. Why we call that all-in-one? Because we can see that combined manufacturing one product. This solar street light, we have a custom power. We can custom based on the model. You can see here is 2 models, 2 groups of LED, and this is 40 watts. So we can make power according to our clients, from 20 watts to 200 watts. Yes, groups of LED. And you can see the LED inside. We made the SMT solution. We made SMT solution with high lumen LED. We can have a show of light.
Yes.
Okay. So this is our high lumen. High bright output. So, yes.
How many watts of it?
Okay.
How many watts?
Yeah, this is 40 watts.
40 watts.
40. Yeah, 40. And this is manual button on it. So when you finish installation, you just turn it on manually. And this is a radar, motion radar. This light can automatically turn on when the evening is coming, when it does. And people passing by, the light differs from 15% brightness into 100% brightness. So when people go, the light will increase into 50% for saving much more battery for the whole night. Right? can see the back side is a monosilicon solar panel. This solar panel is protected by a glass. You should not worry about this product will be broken when transportation, because this tempered glass is strong enough to protect our solar panel. And for charging light, charging time is just 5 to 6 hours to full charge. And this light can light at least 12 hours. It means half day, in winter we can take 2 or 3 days, both okay. Yes.
Yes.
And most important, this outdoor light we need to waterproof, right?
Oh yes, waterproof. It's very important for outdoor light.
Yeah.
So you can, yes, so you can see this light is IP65 designed with the hole, because the wind and water will get out from the hole and to make the IP65 level. And the housing is ABS and could be
ABS material is very good
for project.
Yeah, ABS.
ABS material can from shutter resistant, keep the product from scratch. Yes, it's a good one. Yeah. And how about installation? You can see this is a hasbolt. Hasbolt. You can fasten the hasbolt with the metal base basket onto the short pole. The short pole.
The stand, the light stand.
Light stand. Sure.
Here with one light stand, it's very easy to use. You can fix on the wall.
Yes, and you can fasten the basket with the light stand, and we will have an accessory with the expansion screw to finish your installation on the wall. And if you want to install on some light, then you can have a hook
to fix it.
To fix it. And this is our 3 accessories for this light. And also we have a controller, remote controller. This controller has a on and off button. Right? And we can set a timer, 3 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours.
3 hours, 3 hours. Okay, set it.
Yeah. And we can dimmable function with the button. We can increase or decrease the bright. Okay. Yes, and all our product we can click manual discussion.
Yes.
The menu.
For our time.
Every product will have one menu.
And how about your the solar street light? What's the main market of your solar street light?
Main market now exactly we sell a lot and export a lot to Asia market and also as well as South American market. And also we work with many big trading companies, because the big trading companies, they have big sale to different markets. So Judeng for us today, it is the most advantage is for the quality, because most of our customers work with us more than 5 to 10 years. This is our proud.
Yeah, great. Yeah. And how about the street light, the warranty? How many years you will warranty?
2 years. 2 years. Yes, 2 years for outdoor use for warranty.
Yeah, great. And when I
can I introduce another hostile product?
Yeah, of course. Go on.
Helen, this is hostile item, because I have to introduce, because it is our famous product. And this is solar spike light, and it is very easy to use. There have different installation method. Okay, and here you just simple place it down on the landscape, and then it is easy to use. And also we can use this one. This is the clip. Okay, can you see?
Clips.
Yes,
Oh,
clip. Many customers they will have fence, and it's very easy to clip on the fence, and it's also very
clip on the front.
simple. Yes,
The
yes.
garden, for the garden.
For the garden,
For the garden.
solar light.
Oh,
Yeah, for
garden
outdoor.
fan. Oh, garden fan. Oh,
We don't
I know.
have fence. We don't
Yeah.
have fence, but I think customers they have fence. Okay.
Great.
And this one,
Yeah.
and this one, this for wall mounted. Okay, wall mounted, and it's very
Wall mounting.
convenient. Yes, you can sitting on the wall. Just
Uh-huh.
only easy to fit the three screw, and then it's quite easy. Solar light, the most advantage it is cable-free installation.
Yeah,
You don't need any electrical cost, so it's quite economic. I think every family can buy it, so I have to introduce this product. Okay?
Yeah.
And also here's material. Material is also ABS as well as the street light material, and also better than normal PC. I think inside his waterproof is very important, because inside the driver we will build with screw inside with the driver, and also here the surface. Under the surface we will have a silicon tube, and then to make strengthen the waterproof.
You use the
even though it's
silicon. You use the silicon to put
tube,
the water out, and not only by the glue.
Oh, but glue inside the driver. Inside the driver we fix with glue. And this glue need allow 4 to 5 hours, and then dry if it can keep dry. So outdoor light you will take little long time to produce. So that's why we have to talk to customer, and then we we need to do good quality. I would like to show you this. Turn on. Here is the button. Here is the button, simple to press it, and then you can turn it on. This one is RGB. RGB, when you turn on the button, it is automatically can change color. It's very easy. And also we have another white color, and as well as warm white. Yeah. Normally, the best selling is for white and warm white. For some customers, they would like to use RGB. Yes. So I think this is item for the color temperature. It is really easy to make. And also this for 5 watt. 5 watt.
5 watt.
It's yes, it is a little power, but it's high bright. Enough.
5
also
watt is enough. Yeah.
And also charging that it is allowed 5 to 6 hours, and then also you can use around more than 12 hours. Same.
Very good. Yeah.
Yes. And also same.
Hours can be 20 hours. It's very good.
It can endurance 2 or 3 raining days. Raining days.
Raining days, 2 or 3 raining days. That's okay.
So you see, it is really no need any worry about the product. So you just only to install over there. Then you need to do anything.
Yeah, good. Because most of our Chinese solar lamps are very lower power. You cannot see anything.
Yeah, Helen, I tell you, this item also very good at our Asia market and South American market. Because we are factory and we don't have any middleman profit. So our factory is very economic. But our factory has ISO quality certification. So I think the quality is our main core for customers. So that's why we can keep our customer for longer time and long cooperation. Okay. And also, I think this is our new catalog. This is our new catalog. Yes, we have one new catalog for this year. You will have many new items and new design, and also with some patent design. So I think just now we just introduced 2 products. Okay, we just introduced 2 products. So we would like you send an email to us, and therefore for the new product, for the new solar product, as well as other lighting, outdoor lighting products.
You can leave the message. Great.
Businessman.
Monica and Eric.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if because this today our company will have some promotion end of this month. If you contact us, and you will enjoy some free samples and good discount. Yes, this is our this is this month this June promotion. So please do remember email us today. Okay.
Can I ask you a free sample today?
Why not? I just tell you.
Yeah.
I tell you. Yesterday I talked to Eric. End of this year. We need to buy some solar light for our home because because we love this products. So I think when we love our products, I think my customer must love our.
Yeah, you must use it in your house, and then you send the pictures to your customer. Yeah, I use good quality.
Yes.
I think it's a good way to persuade your products to your customer.
Yes. Very easy product. Okay.
Yeah. From the screen, I can see two people there. I feel alone here. I'm only one here. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you have any new product to release?
Yes.
Yeah.
Today just so, but if we have time, then we can show another underground light. But time is enough for us to show.
Okay, no problem. We will go on maybe.
This in ground light. This is in ground light. It's for strip wire in ground light, and it's also solar light. You know, I introduce you this product because this product is not a very big sale, but is I think for customer you can test.
It's also sonar.
Yeah, solar. Yeah, inside the panel. Yeah, inside a panel. Inside the panel is for also
how many watts?
3 watt. 3 watt.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, this product our customer with not big true quantity, but this is exactly high profit. I tell you the truth.
Okay. Yeah. We want to see your new products maybe in the fair. Okay.
And I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem. I said maybe we want to see your new products in the fair, and then yeah.
We love to so.
Yeah, we think the exception will be open soon. Okay.
We excited for that. Okay.
Yeah, I will be to your booth and then watch your new products. Okay.
Thank you, Helen. So you do remember us. Okay, today Monica and Eric.
I remember two people there, and then one beautiful lady and one handsome guy.
You need to remember. You request 3 times for this handsome boy.
3 times for handsome boy.
Yes.
Okay, Monica.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes,
thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, Helen.
Thank you. Bye.